Okay, this is just a simple tutorial on how to change the watch battery out of a Timex watch. As you can see, this is just a watch that actually, when you push these buttons, nothing changes, and so that's an indication that your battery is dying, and so you need to replace the battery. We're going to take apart the back, and there's a strap here we're going to take off and unscrew these little screws back here to get into the back and get out the battery and replace it with the new one. Here is the watch battery that we're going to use. It's just something I just bought at the store, and oops, crap! Let's try this again. There's the battery. Let's give it a shot. Crap! No, vent! I see it. I see it. Peanut. Disassembly. We first need to take off these little pins, and you can just use your fingernail. Seriously. Okay, so the watch band is off, the one side, and here's the pin. Now, let's open it up. Boy, this thing's freaking dirty. Okay, so we're on the home stretch now. Here's the final screw, and you take the cover off to get our battery. And where's our... Okay, we're all done. You can see the seconds there. There they go, ticking away. Thanks for watching.